Okay, we're gonna try another 3D flight with the 4F200 and maybe catch it on film this time. Getting really strong winds because there's a tropical storm right off the coast, so I'm gonna try and use that wind pressure to flip me around to inverted. Might be a crash. Wow, I can't even describe how strong this wind is right now. Wow, I'm just fighting it. It's hard. Gotta wait for it to die some. Oh, it's too strong. Too strong. I think I gotta land here. This is every bit 40 to 50 mile per hour winds per the news report anyway. And I don't see, you can see the big trees swaying. It's pretty bad. I'm ballsy for flying 200. I had the 450 out and that thing can fight the wind, but not so much with these littler ones. Try it one more time. Seems like it died a little bit right now, so I might get one more. Whoa! Oh, that was bad. Quick spool up. I gotta stop doing that. This ESC spools me up a little bit suddenly, and I gotta feather it to get it to start up right, and I was a little too quick on it then. Scared to turn around and put my back to the wind because it always shoves me straight down. Whoa. Okay, I've got my inverted thrust a lot better now. A lot better now. I feel so much better. I wasn't able to punch out before, now I can, so my adjustments definitely helped. Oh, the wind just comes and goes, and it's really strong again. Alright, I think that'll be it for this battery. Just check. 3.78. Yep, that's a good cutoff for so I don't lose power. But there you go, flips, and so there you can see I got it tuned in good.